guys, and welcome back to my channel. So Ariana Grande has captivated me with her latest music video, God is a Woman. I have become a fan of her music, her style, her makeup, everything. So today I just wanted to experiment and see what her makeup look, because her makeup look has the same elements but they still vary. So I really wanted to try one look. I would just like to preface the video by saying that I'm not trying to be Ariana Grande at all, and this is not even transformation makeup. This is just makeup inspired by her makeup. So not trying to be her, she can be her, I'll be me. I'm just trying to see like what that makeup looks like, because I quite like it. It's casual but it's still like full glam. I quite like it a lot. So yeah, it's a super cool hairstyle. I'm loving this pony, by the way, feeling it. So I actually really like it. I might be doing this look quite often now. So thanks, Ari. Well, and yes, let's get into the video. So as always, I start off with my Color Bar primer. It is a transparent primer that really blurs out your pores and everything and makes your face a smooth finish for the foundation that's to come. The foundation that I'm using is the Innisfree foundation. I link my shades in all of the products in the information box below, so make sure to go there and check it out. The links will be there as well. I use the cushion foundation, and after that I use this Essence Mousse foundation. It's one shade darker to my skin tone, so that makes it a perfect contouring shade. I had to use a lot of it to get the darkness that Ariana really has. She has a very tan skin, so I did that all over wherever, you know, the 3CE method, wherever you're supposed to apply it. Next up, I used my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer to hide any of the dark circles or dark spots, and then I went on with the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, which I used as a highlighting concealer under my eyes and on the T-zone. Then I went into Bake with my Rimmel London translucent powder. It's a very light powder, and I bake only for a few seconds and then just use the powder that I already have on my face to just go ahead and powder my face. Maybe use a little bit extra in the T-zone. That's about it. By the way, this is the first time I've used a brush. Otherwise, I've only used an air puff that comes with the cushion foundation to blend it all. It helps really to blend everything seamlessly. I've used the Hoola bronzer to bronze my face up as much as I could. Now let's get to the eyeshadows. So I've used this Miss Claire eyeshadow palette, and I've used this flat brush to just put on the eyeshadows properly. So I've used this rust colored eyeshadow first on my entire eyelid, and I've also done all the same methods that I did on my top eyelid to the bottom one. So after this, I went on to a brownish color to just darken up my crease. I wanted the makeup look to be kind of like her stage look, where it's like a little dramatic. However, her makeup is never too over the top, so I did go over this entire eyeshadow look with a golden-ish color, golden brown color, and try to make it a little more subtle. Now this was a part I was super nervous about, making the signature Ariana wing. So I've used a L'Oreal pen liner to make the guideline for it, sort of. So I've not really started off at the end of the eye. I've started just a little after the end of my eye, extended the line as much as I could without reaching my eyebrows, and then just joined it to my lash line and then filled it in a little bit. Then I went on with my favorite liquid eyeliner, which is the Lakme Absolute Shine Line, and went on and connected this wing to the middle of my lash line. So I did not really get it and extend it through the inner corner of the eye, and yeah, that was it. I noticed that she generally has straight eyebrows, so I tried to make mine as straight as I could. Again, this is not perfection, guys. I am just trying to do makeup inspired by her here, so just be a little soft at me. I also set my eyebrows with the Body Shop transparent mascara. Speaking of mascara, I've used the Essence Lash Princess mascara, and on top of it I used the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. I've used two on my top lashes but just the Essence one on my bottom lashes. For blush, I used the Trend It Up powder blush in 025, which is like a peachy golden blush, so I've just put it a very little amount. I went crazy on the highlighter. It's never too much when it comes to looks like these. So I just went in, applied the highlighter wherever you do. And then I also used the MAC pigment in vanilla on the inner corners of my eye to just light them up a little. And yeah, this really brought the look together. The lip combo included a Kylie Jenner liquid lipstick in ginger, and on top of it I used this Revlon lip cream, which just made the look more subtle, and it's a very creamy formula, so it's really comfortable as well on the lips. This tutorial. I am feeling this look 100%. If you liked it, make sure to thumbs it up. If you would like me to do any other celebrity inspired makeup look, make sure to put that in the comments below. Once again, not trying to be Ariana here, just inspired by her makeup. And also, this is not 100% copy. I'm not a professional. Just to everybody that's gonna judge, just bye-bye. Yeah. Anyways, this was the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye till then.